I got my head out the sunroof. I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing.
Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Asma Zafar. Welcome to my channel, and today we will be diving into an exciting world of dental implants. So there are many methods of replacing the teeth, and one of those methods is by using dental implants. Dental implants have revolutionized the field of tooth replacement, and this field is constantly evolving. Let's explore the latest research on implant materials, osseointegration, and implant-based prosthesis. If we talk about the dental materials, titanium has been the gold standard for dental implants. Traditionally, titanium has been used so because of its excellent biocompatibility and osseointegration properties. However, recent research has explored alternative materials like zirconia and ceramics, and these materials offer potential advantages like more aesthetic appeal and corrosion resistance. Studies are still going on to assess their long-term performance and clinical outcomes. Now let's talk about osseointegration. What is osseointegration? Osseointegration is the process by which the implant fuses with the jaw bone. Recent research has delved into the factors that affect osseointegration like bone health, implant surface texture, and patient-related factors like age and overall health. And at the moment, scientists are trying to explore innovative surface treatments to enhance implant osseointegration and reduce the healing time. Now let's talk about implant-supported prosthetics. Implant-supported prosthetics have come a long way, offering patients natural-looking and functional tooth replacement. Especially with the advancement in CAD/CAM technology, we have enabled the creation of highly precise and aesthetic restorations. So at the moment, the research is more focused on the longevity and durability of implant-supported prosthetics, as well as exploring new materials and designs. The traditional methods that were used in the past are now being replaced by digital dentistry, which is playing a crucial role in optimizing the planning, fabrication, and placement of implant-supported prosthetics. To conclude, the field of dental implants is constantly evolving with new advancements and developments on the horizon. Stay tuned for more updates on latest research. Thank you so much.